Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your recently watched videos on YouTube and manage your watch history. This is useful if you want to re-watch a specific video you enjoyed, share it with someone else, or remove videos from your history for privacy reasons. You can even pause or completely turn off your watch history, and I'll walk you through all of that step by step. To find your recently watched videos, open the YouTube app and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. From there, select History, then tap View All to see your full watch history. You can scroll through the list, search for specific videos using the search bar at the top, and tap on any video to watch it again. If you want to remove a video from your history, tap the three-dot menu next to it and select Remove from Watch History. You can also use the options in the top right corner to clear your entire watch history or pause it if you don't want YouTube to save what you watch anymore. Another way to manage your recently watched videos is through your YouTube settings. From the same profile menu, tap the Settings icon, then go to Your Data in YouTube. Scroll down to find YouTube Watch History and select Manage Your YouTube Watch History. Here, you'll see a more detailed view of everything you've watched and searched for. You can delete individual items by tapping the Remove icon, delete videos by date, or turn off watch history completely so it's no longer saved. And that's it. That's how you can view, manage, and control your recently watched videos on YouTube. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.